Hi, this is Congressman Joe Courtney. I'm speaking to you from the Rayburn Building on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. In a few short days, America will pause and observe National Nurses Day, May 6th, which is an opportunity for all of us across the country to honor the work that nurses do in a whole variety of healthcare settings, whether it's in hospitals, nursing homes, doctors' offices, you name it. And again, they just provide an essential component of hands-on care for patients from small infants all the way to geriatric patients who depend again on the incredibly important, highly trained work that nurses do. It's important also to recognize that nurses deserve a safe workplace. And I'm sponsoring this year the Workplace Prevention Violence Bill for Healthcare Workers and Social Workers, HR 1309, which is the product of 6 years of work, amassing the data, demonstrating that we really have an epidemic across the country of healthcare workers who, again, just in the course of doing their jobs, are subjected to more workplace violence than really any other sector in the U.S. economy. I want to thank AFSCME for their strong support for this bill by making sure that their members are calling folks all across the House and the Senate to get the strongest possible co-sponsorship. Again, this is a bill that has been endorsed by a broad base of healthcare workers who recognize that this is not an imaginary problem. In fact, it's something that's happening every single day in healthcare settings all across the board that, again, really subject people to unnecessary injury and harm when all they're doing is really performing their critical, essential tasks to make sure that healthcare is available to all Americans. So again, I want to thank AFSCME for their strong support for this measure. We've got more work to do to advance this bill finally to get a national standard of workplace prevention all across the 15 million U.S. workers that every single day report into healthcare settings all across the country. And I look forward to that work continuing and making sure that we're going to have a bill signing in this Congress, the 116th Congress, someday very soon.